Ritual is really important for me because I live in a really busy city and I also have a really busy professional life. So it's really important for me to have that moment of self-care, just recalibrate myself and just forget about the world a little bit. I'm Isa, I'm a teaching assistant in a special educational needs school and I live in this beautiful small apartment in London. I got a background in biomedical sciences and I realized that self-care is not just about exercising, it's also about what you take into your body. And I realized that tea brings lots of benefits to us. The blends I like to mix are calming and healing. For me, it's important to have something that will boost my immune system and make me relax after a long day of work. I really love it because I can see the colors pop up and I can smell the infusion, and it's really, really the beginning of the ritual for me. I live with my husband Kyle, who's also a teacher, and we connected through music first. So when we moved here, we decided to have a nice display of our favorite music. So when I come home, I make sure that I play something to relax. The healing benefits of drinking tea are it helps me stay calm and relaxed, and it's really hydrating, especially after a long day of work. If I didn't have the ritual, I wouldn't feel energized. I need to have it to ground myself after a long day of work. I just have that restorative time, listen to my favorite music, and just enjoy myself.